Hey everyone, welcome to episode 21 of our Roblox Studios Speed Simulator. Now, this one is going to be nice and simple. We're going to be simply making GUI for our multiple rebirth buttons, which we're hopefully going to make in next episode. So, we're going to make an upgrade for multiple rebirth buttons. So if you get level 2 on that upgrade, you'll get 2 rebirth buttons, level 3 you'll get 3 rebirth buttons, etc. To start, we're going to start GUI. We're opening up the main screen, and we're going to get, I'm going to grab out, really sort of, actually I'm going to go to the game bar shop, get the I'm going to duplicate the entire game bar shop, rename it. This is going to be the Prestige shop, which I can't spell prestige correctly. There we go. If we open that up, we can ignore all this for now. We'll leave G shop as it is, actually, and we'll call this P shop for prestige shop. We'll leave the open, although we're going to move that. Oops. Move the open, just so we know where it is. I'm not going to change. Yeah, I'm going to change the image. And then this text button, the text on it is just going to be prestige. No, I'm going to make this prestiges. Now you're not gonna make this whatever you want. If you want, you can make it an image or whatever. But I'm just gonna make this prestiges. I'm gonna make the size 0.5, 0, No. I'm not gonna make that 1, and then I'm gonna make the actual open 1, 0, 1, 0. Just so we got it full screen. I'm gonna make it a perfect sort of. I've done that way too big, haven't I? What am I doing? I'm gonna make the size 0.2, 0, 0.2, 0. Even that's a bit big. I'm just going to try and make this a square. So you can do that by matching up these little numbers. You see where it says like by. You got 1/8 by 1/8. That's perfect square. I'm going to do it a bit more than that. I'm going to make it more of an 87 by 87. If I could. Now, as I said, I'm not really going to go too much over GUI design. I think I'm going to do that in a future video. We're going to do like a load of GUI design. Now I'm going to grab both these now. I'm going to get this rebirth button, just move that top right, because we'll need it, but we're not going to use it at the moment. Now let's go put our shop down where it needs to be. I'm going to put mine in the middle there. Once again, we'll focus more on GUI design in the future. I'll make this text white as well, just because why not? Nice look. And there we go. Now I'm going to open up our P shop, get our scrolling frame. I'm actually going to make this visible as well. This scrolling frame we're going to keep because we're going to need it. We're going to need this frame here, and then this we can call prestiges or whatever. Now open up our scrolling frame. We're gonna delete the 2 times speed. No, we're not. Sorry, we're going to delete the 3 times speed and the 2 times prestige. And we're going to change up the 3 times speed a bit. We're going to remove the line off because we're not going to need it. We can remove the purchase, the text label, and all the text. So we just got the frame here, and then this is gonna be, I'm just gonna call this frame number 1 for prestige 1, and we're then gonna go and grab our rebirth button and just drag that into the prestige. Now we got 2 scripts within here. I'm also gonna make the size of this. I'm gonna make it 0.8, 0, 0.8, 0.8, 0. And center this 0, 0, 0, 0, and then I can center it a bit more than that. If I just put that as so, a bit more center, how's that? That's a bit better. That'll do. You could set the position to 1, 1, 1, 1 or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. I'm also going to change the color of this to be a slightly lighter blue than that. It's going to be like a slightly darker version of what we've already got. I'm going to make the text color white. Just sort of play around with your UI, make it look nicer. And this is going to be, the text on this is going to be +1. Right, that's just what we're going to leave it, so we know how much each rebirth is worth. We can go over UI design, as I say, once again, another time. I'm just going to set no border pixel. I'm going to slice this. I'm going to go down to, where is it located? It is not here at all, because it's not the right thing to slice, unless I'm being silly. Yeah. Okay, we're just going to ignore that then. Anyway, we're going to open up the first local script. And that's fine as it is. Yep, that's fine as it is. Second local script, we're going to say, if I could open it. Once again, that's fine as it is. Yeah, that's fine. So everything here is perfectly fine. We don't really need to do much. What I'm going to do in both the scripts, I'm going to make a local cost is going to be equal to, and then 1,000. And I'm going to replace all of these 1,000s with the cost, just because it makes it easier. Same here. Local cost equals 1,000. Get the cost, replace it with those. There we go, and there we go. Alright, let me just make sure that these are right. Yep, they are the correct numbers. And now we just need to work on the frame here. So if we go to this frame, open up the text button and make sure that this is script.parent.parent blah blah. Then this is not going to be .dshop, but not gshop, sorry, but pshop. And that's that. And now all we're going to say is have this local script. We can get rid of, I think we can get rid of most of that. We can get rid of all the prestige stuff. This will be pshop. Do we need the open shop? Mainframe. Mainframe.parent. .open. Wait, what? So mainframe is this. Parent.open. Oh yeah, so we're going to need this open shop as well. We can get rid of all these Game Pass values. We can get rid of all. We get rid of this whole thing here, and then all we want is to say script.parent.open.textbutton.click value mainframe. We can get rid of the open shop as well. We don't need that, and that's it. So that's all we're going to want to say. And now I believe we can set this to not visible. Let's test and play. I believe this will work. I'm not 100% sure. Let's just run about. Let's click Prestiges and Rebirth. And yeah, okay, we've got our Prestiges done. That's it for our Prestige GUI today. Next time, we're going to make, we're either going to do the GUI improvement, or we're going to work on making the actual multiple Rebirth upgrade. I'm not sure. It depends. But thank you for everyone for joining in. I know this video was quite short. It's a nice simple one, to be honest. Just sort of, you know, it's just sort of nice calm, because we've just done the past 2 episodes of really hard work with the portals and stuff. So it's just quite calm. So next one we'll probably do something a bit more complicated than we did today. But you know, I just wanted to do a nice simple video, just because we've done quite a lot of hard work in the past couple of episodes. So thank you everyone for all the support so far on this series. It's been brilliant. If you don't want to learn how to make your own idle game for Android or whatever, like a real actual game, idle game such as Cookie Clicker, then go check out our other series which we're doing at the moment, which is Unity, how to make an idle game. For Unity versions 2018 to 2021. That series isn't doing brilliant so far, but I'm enjoying making it, and I think it could help out a few people, so we're not going to scrap it. But I'm just saying, if you don't want to learn how to make an idle game, then go to our videos and you'll see we've got a series going on. Anyway, thanks for watching this one everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, and have a good time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're enjoying our content, make sure to subscribe. Thank you and bye.